In this video, I am going to teach you how to find and export your trade history in Kraken. This is useful if you need records for taxes or personal tracking. Watch till the end to keep your crypto reports organized. Let's get started. First, go to kraken.com and sign in to your account with your email and password. Always make sure you're using a secure network when logging in. Next, click your profile icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. This will open your account settings and options. Then choose Documents in the menu options to manage your reports and history. You'll see all your past and current export requests here. Click New Export to start generating a new report. This will open a window for you to choose what to export. In the export type, choose Trades to get your trade history. You can also select other options if needed. Now customize it. Select the date range, fields you want, and the file format. Once you're ready, just click Generate and your export will start processing. And that's how you find and export history in Kraken. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more simple crypto guides. See you next time!